When my family started our homeschooling journey, there were so many decisions to make. And not everything turned out as planned. But one of our best decisions was choosing to use BJU Press Homeschool. I could go to one place and order the materials I needed for all my kids in every grade. I've never seen my kids so excited to get textbooks before. Brooklyn and Hayden couldn't stop looking at all the characters and pictures. We use the online video lessons for all our courses, but I know some families choose to teach from the textbooks. I'm amazed by how interesting and interactive the lessons are. My kids actually look forward to them. What I love is that I can trust BJU Press to uphold our values. The Bible and biblical principles are woven throughout each subject, even math. I don't have to worry about what my kids are learning. And they are learning. The materials challenge them to think and apply the concepts. It's not just memorization. I'll admit, I was a bit nervous when I started homeschooling, but I've found a wonderful online community of other BJU Press homeschool families and consultants. They have great tips and encouragement. The Homeschool Hub also makes my job easier. I can set up our schedules and rearrange them with just a few clicks. On the dashboard, I can see each of my kids' progress, and the assignments page shows me quickly what's ready for me to check or grade. I'm glad my son's biology assignments are automatically graded. One of the great things about the Homeschool Hub and BJU Press Homeschool is that it puts me in control. I can pick and choose the resources and tools that work best for my family. That's one of the reasons we decided to homeschool in the first place, to be involved in our children's education and tailor it to meet their needs. I'm so thankful. BJU Press Homeschool has given us the tools and confidence to homeschool our children. For more information, do what I did and visit the BJU Press Homeschool website or talk with your local HomeWorks consultant.